We are now going to learn the application process for Lithos Earth Red finish. Total number of layers of Lithos required: 4. Total number of layers of top coat required: 2. Materials required: Lithos, Royale plate tinted protective coat. Tools required: steel trowel and scraper, tray, application roller, color wash sponge, sanding paper, that is 180 number, and mixer machine. Steps of application for Earth Red finish are: Step 1. Primer plus putty plus primer. Step 2. Apply 4 coats of tinted Lithos. Step 3. Apply 2 layers of Royale plate tinted protective coat. Let's see the application process in detail. First step is primer plus putty plus primer. Prepare a primer putty primer finished surface. Tip: surface should be leveled enough and free from any kind of defects. Next step is application of the Lithos Earth Red finish. Apply first coat of tinted Lithos, that is without any pattern, using trowel and scraper. Pattern is to be created in 3 parts. Part 1. Apply tinted second layer of Lithos using steel trowel and scraper in patches. Leave random holidays in between. Drag the material randomly in slanted to straight vertical direction. Repeat the process throughout. Buff this portion lightly after covering the wall. Ensure the pattern is random. Part 2. Now cover 80 to 90% of the holidays which were left in first part and overlap the same on top of material which was applied in first part. Repeat the process. Finish the deposition and pattern creation throughout the wall. Buff the material lightly in vertical direction only. Material should be in semi-dried condition before moving on to the next step. Part 3. Now, material is to be applied in such a way that 60 to 70% of the second part is covered with fresh layer. Drag the material with the same technique and buff it post completing the wall. Sand the finish using 180 number sanding paper post drying. Complete the process with application of Royale plate tinted protective coat. Apply 2 coats of Royale plate tinted protective coat diluted with 1:2 parts of water using application roller and merge it using color wash sponge. Drying time: tinted first coat of Lithos 4 to 6 hours. Tinted second and third coat of Lithos 2 to 3 hours. Tinted fourth coat of Lithos overnight. Royale plate tinted protective coat 3 to 4 hours in between coats. Coverage: Lithos 3.5 to 4.5 square feet per kilogram for 4 coats. Protective coat 200 to 300 square feet per liter for 2 coats.